Today's my topic is electric dipole. The two equal and opposite charge are placed very close to each other is called electric dipole. Let us consider two point A and B placed at distance 2D and charge minus Q and plus Q place on it. So this system is called electric dipole. Now electric dipole moment. Now electric dipole moment represented by P. Charge and product between charge and distance is called electric dipole. That is P is equal to Q into 2D. P is called electric dipole moment. Now SI unit is Coulomb into meter. Clear? The SI unit of electric dipole is Coulomb into meter. Now, electric field intensity due to electric dipole at end-on position. Let us consider 2-point charge minus Q and plus Q placed at A and B, and midpoint of dipole is O. So distance between A and O is small d and O and B is small d. We find the intensity at point P, place at small r from the center O. Clear? So electric field intensity at minus Q charge is E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge upon distance square, means AP is square. But AP is equal to D plus R. So E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon D plus R का whole square. This is equation 1. Clear? Now we find the intensity of dipole due to plus Q charge is E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon distance BP, means BP is square. So BP is equal to R minus D. So E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus D whole square. This is equation 2. But total intensity is E is equal to E2 minus E1, means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus D square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus D square. Clear हुआ? E1 and E2 both are intensity of plus Q and minus Q charge. That is, intensity is a vector quantity, means direction of E1 and direction of E2 is the opposite side. So intensity E is equal to E2 minus E1. क्लियर है? ठीक है? E1 और E2 दोनों का डायरेक्शन अपोजिट है, इसलिए इंटेंसिटी E इज इक्वल टू E2 माइनस E1 होगा. क्लियर? सो पुट इन द वैल्यू E1, E2 and E1. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus d square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus d square. So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 1 upon r minus d का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन r प्लस d का होल स्क्वायर. सो 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट r minus d square and r plus d square. So r plus d square minus r minus d square. Solve this equation. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2rd 4rd upon r square minus d square whole square. Clear? So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2qd into 2r upon r square minus d square. Clear? Total intensity E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here 2q into d is called P. P means dipole moment. So P into 2r upon d square r square minus d square whole square. Clear? So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr upon r square minus d square whole square. This is intensity of electric field end on position, also called axial position. Clear? Now special case 1, if r is very greater than d, then r square minus d square approximate r square. That is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr upon r square whole square, means E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr upon r की power 4, means E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. This is called intensity of electric field at and on position of electric dipole. Unit Newton per Coulomb. Clear? Now we find the electric field intensity at electric dipole in equatorial position, also called non-axial position. That is AB is the electric dipole and axis of dipole. At point O is the center of dipole. Now point P place at perpendicular to the axis P. ठीक है कि डाइपोल के सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर पॉइंट P पर जो हम इंटेंसिटी फाइंड करेंगे उसको हम इक्वेटोरियल पोजीशन या नॉन एक्सेल पोजीशन भी कह सकते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड इक्वेटोरियल पोजीशन. क्लियर? वी फाइंड द इंटेंसिटी एट पॉइंट P. ठीक है, हमें पॉइंट P पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की इंटेंसिटी फाइंड करनी है। कंसीडर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन O and A इज स्मॉल d and O and B also small d. Let distance between O and P is small r. ठीक है, सो intensity at so point A place at charge plus q and point B place at charge minus q. See, ठीक है, distance between A and O is d and O and B is small d. That is total distance 2d. So AB is a effective length of dipole. Clear? We find the intensity at point P due to plus charge E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square. Here AP square is equal to OA square plus OP square. That is AOP is a right angle triangle. Then according to Pythagoras theorems, AP square is equal to AOA square plus OP square, means D square plus R square. So AP is equal to root over D square plus R square. That is distance between A and O is D square plus R square root over. Means E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon D square plus R square. This is equation 1. Clear? This is equation 1. Now, this angle is theta. So, direction of E1 is this. E1 is a electric field intensity. So, E1 direction. अब intensity of electric field is E1 is non-axial position that is divided by two factors. First this and second this direction. This is Pn direction. Now, this intensity is called E1 cos theta and this E1 sin theta. We know that a vector quantity placed at non-axial position, that is two factors cos theta and sin theta. ठीक है, सो यदि मैं बता रहा हूं आपको कि यदि इंटेंसिटी नॉन एक्सियल पोजीशन में है तो वो दो फैक्टर में क्या होगी, डिवाइड होगी. फर्स्ट E1 cos थीटा एंड सेकेंड E1 sin थीटा. क्लियर हुआ? सो दिस एंगल इज थीटा. So number 1, E1 cos theta, ON direction. Number 2, E2 sin theta, OP direction. Clear? Now, intensity of electric field due to charge minus Q is E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q upon distance PB square. क्लियर हुआ? सो PB square is equal to root over R square plus D square, also called D square plus R square, means E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon D square plus R square. क्लियर हुआ? सो ये हो गया इक्वेशन सेकेंड. ठीक. नाउ अगेन E2 is a non-axial position that is divided by two factor. that is divided by two factor. First, E2 cos theta, P in direction, and up second, E2 sin theta, that is OP direction. That is number 1, E2 cos theta, OP and direction, and number 2, E2 sin theta, that is PO direction, means point P, suppose के. So intensity this direction E1 sin theta, and this E1 cos theta. This is intensity of intensity E1 divided by two factor. ये पॉइंट P पर इंटेंसिटी E1 दो फैक्टर में डिवाइड हुई है, E1 sin थीटा एंड E1 cos थीटा. अगेन इंटेंसिटी E2 divided by two factor, that is E2 cos theta and E2 sin theta. From equation 1 and 2, E1 is equal to E2, that is factor E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta are neglected. मीन्स E1 sin थीटा और E2 sin थीटा अपोजिट हैं, इसलिए ये एक दोनों को निरस्त करेंगे, मीन्स निगलेक्ट करेंगे. नाउ टोटल इंटेंसिटी E इज इक्वल टू E1 cos थीटा प्लस E2 cos थीटा, E1 cos थीटा प्लस E2 cos थीटा. हियर इक्वेशन 1 and 2, E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E. So, sorry, E1 is equal to E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon D square plus L square. So, E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q D square plus L square cos theta plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q upon D square plus L square into cos theta. That is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q upon D square plus L square into cos theta. Clear हुआ? So, according to triangle APO, theta, so cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, means base upon hypotenuse. So BD and hypotenuse root over D square plus R square. So intensity E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q upon D square plus L square into D root over D square plus R square. So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2QD upon D square plus L square. This is power 1 and 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. But 2QD is equal to P. P is equal to dipole moment. So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon D square plus L square पूरे का पावर 3 by 2 Newton per Coulomb. This is called electric field intensity at non-axial position or equatorial position. Clear? If also D is very greater than sorry, R is very greater than D. That is D square plus R square approximate D square, means E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon D cube Newton per Coulomb. So this is called intensity of electric field in equatorial position.